Good, good morning. I'm welcome, nigga. I'm welcome, nigga. Bring him up. I wasn't expecting it. Let me sit up. Okay, one.
Kegeleji kwa me. Koye no US, koye na America. Kegeleji me. Ibranga yetu nke kwano. Jump up from there, piloto from there, Ibranga go say man am go. Stand up from there, give send the request on your rala. Ibranga that you am ke kwano. Koye $1 ko pounds. Wa bingo. Ibranga you am ke kwano.
Hold on, let me go to my studio.
No that beke no chile ka gba ko here.
Ewo kwali iwe. Nsika mba na my studio.
Yitonye de DJ Tara. Ibranga be gwam seke kwano.
Owo koye taga mo. To God who made two of us.
Bega kodia. Yes, listen. It's your that touch here, able to here. Or what I am again.
Okay. Sorry.
Well, Pakadi Siri. We had the knock on your bipolar. Ranga Beata Koshigramez. I come that touch here. Come, Bogey Beba.
Yes.
Let me stand on your eye.
USA.
Eben a USA.
State of Maryland.
Eish, Lanya. I come that touch from you. I come that touch from you before me when I can. Sorry, before me when I can just cook your kunishi here. The phone I'll give you a talk last. The way phone Nala, they were at the way me bed. The way phone Nala.
Edo was here. Hold on.
What pack I got on a hog? Keep it straight. Lasso. Kia open to call Bonnica.
You know, 10 o'clock, 10 a.m.
Don't oye, don't today, don't to do, don't oye. Don't ebe cap a fraba for the tito go get like a bagoko. The leg reto nekada fabagan win in media.
Sorry, I just woke up.
Slata to go get a ungeade kahanga. A what is it on Yemen autopsy? I turn that out here. On down America. Go to Ngayano weird. Tanazo. Look at Brutalonia no Cyprus, Bianca down from Son America. Le Wanyana television now. The Wayana television now. Le Wanyana that television, Le Wanya dia. The Leche Bell and the Cherubin. Look at it. Branga Asgram Beke. Metal say, no him. Mahe Libanova. Capro Bell and the Cherubina Saraf and Bia here. Bia Madam, hello. Ibugram Bell, no.
I'm coming.
No, that would have fun, okay?
Okay.
It's how we henana. Banga Biabam, hello. Hey, I told that touch here. You think I'm playing here without block you and bring you down? Braga Bay Church. How couldn't they know POS in Nigeria telling her like this? But Gabianga Beta Koshimeza. I would hotel and the Sabbat. Play bell and the Sabbat. Gabianga Biabian. Mahwezegi. Ranga Bianem Biata Koshigeza. Work it again, Nona. That is CJ Brian Hiona. La page whatever. Get whatever for tack up.
Eyimbra.
Them you chile kaba. Hey! I hold the bag here. Braga bisi mana. Damn you!
Gift, Amaka.
Kwa braga se bipolar dere. Braga be ishige ba anage.
Sorry.
Igbo
Amaka.
Nage.
Kamalu.
Iwonye be.
Owerri, Imo State.
Ebe no Imo State.
Owerri. Owerri North. Owerri North.
Ebe no Owerri North.
Emi.
Ijomo.
Yes.
Ekanonati.
No, I've been divorced 10 years. This is exactly 10 years.
Lanya, mbaga kanta ga divorce arege top time. Wonyare branga isoro English. Nloga kananya na get us do Mario ngo English no soga dia me no jafu anati. Oh English am reje wo retire sengo mother here. Biaga be soro ma haben the fasa. E de proud with English ti chile ka baga ko. Branga isoro mbeke.
I'm sorry.
Oh neat. I am no after anadi. Onye Igbo de kakeke bianga soro mbeke.
Ndo. Eokwaliwe.
Retired but not tired. Single mother. Ejung mole.
Ato.
Our fumoke came on one called different men.
Ofuwoke.
Well, actually, good sharp runishigi.
Yes. 5 years ago.
No
5 years.
No get beke no again. Lanya. No get beke. No get beke no again. Get no here na get home. Ega no here home soge. Ega no here home soge bu. Chile ka ba go. What paka no ge. Branga be so mbeke. It's only energy gene mere pant. Branga be so beke. Oh my God, the Jafole.
18, 17, and 15.
Maguku. Biara interview. And Jafole.
42.
Abobia. Biawara close to monopause. Nigga na adendo.
But mama wanna bumpam na ya.
Maga wanna don't know.
Yes, sir.
Maga wanna gini buru maga.
All the email. All pregnancy. Here basara pregnancy complications.
Donna. Family on one female. Nago kadendo.
Yes, sir.
Umelo yo tro babule no lunu. Egbe eligwe babule mad na family onombo.
Mba.
Ija ngo shisha.
Never.
Iji aṅụ goof.
Mba.
Gị na nwaanyị ibe gị ọlụọla ọgụ mbụ maka amụ?
No, I don't do that.
Iji echeki phone nwoke?
No, and we've been working for the past 10 years.
Lanya, the way ihu ga ọfụma. Kpekwara ihu ninja toto, the way ọfụma. Oya. Kwa ihu ninja toto bịa nga bịa agwa m sị onwebe enyi nwoke for the past 10 years.
I'm being real.
Ama m na ede real kwa ihu ninja toto the way ọfụma ihe m gwara gị the way ihu ga ọfụma. You know you make a hair on real here, or more.
Sorry.
Teacher AI honorable Madonna Nigeria. Branga bia wagam some being real. You know you were not there real here. And when I hear wine, and when I hear wine age, I walk an Otele. You went here?
Yes, sir.
Oleki went. Freda t-shirt shop. Oleki went.
3 active ones.
Okay. Honey, then when I can hang there.
Mba.
When can I now, your name I need is serious. I need it real. Eba now. Got put the charam honey in there. The way camera na gapu patacha honey na to me here one by one. Gonna issue me one by way, issue me minute get up here, issue me minute get up here. Then get whatever matter by the side. Good is such a man now because a home reason yes, look at me very well. Don't come here to joke with me. Look at me. Look at me very well. You're not supposed to no boy spice up. So from the concern and when he walk again, I go back again, get feel way man again. Go on, stand up there and bring it here.
Nga gbagelu.
I think stand up be fast about it.
But they went to, we can do that next time. Man, I'm na my studio na ofu no here. Na basement. So mbagelu na gi wete ya Otara. Nge disturb my son's physical therapy. Honor with his physical therapist. So I told me disturb. I'm not about basements. Man, no ofu nke no here.
Mwago mwagishin koka.
Mba, onwere on arm driving, so he ain't one accident. So he's I won't know all the serious.
O metro nena brain.
No, never. Just some part of his arm.
Lanya ihrubekesuga. Lanya ihrubekesuga. Aboromiashe. Don't try it with. I try kwa lande bem no.
Okay.
Ranga nesrum beke. Aya wapetan ke no ya geba ke any dream that one on ill. But we are end this interview. I will end it now, once and for all. I need everything. I need everything. Bring one. Bring that to one. Agwagunu were ntunu nyenaka nwoke ma ọwụ Chineke unu were enyere vibrator. Kwa mkpa nwaanyị ga-eji lo, gba mkpa ga-eji nwelie feeling nwoke. Ọwụ nwoke na-amaghị ọtọ ara ga-azụrụ vibrator zega nwaanyị ya in the name of emerent travel. Ọma ha na nwaanyị ahụ mali ahụ. Yo soro gị na anya n'ụwa. Ọchọ that's enweghị ga-eme satisfy ya. That is the truth. Onye ana gbab m ihe ọ ga-akpọ nwoke nothing. Any dream rehabilitation of auto. Onye ọbụla wee vibrator user. A ga-rehab n'auto unu. Onye ọbụla wụ machine. Hey, wait to Otele sana. Wapụ ya a ga-akụchi akaụntụ gị. Weto ihe n'ala. Weto ihe n'ala. Weto ya n'ala a ga-akụchi akaụntụ gị. Weto ya n'ala. Telero sana.
Ọkwa gị si nwete ya.
Ị gara aga n'oge were aka odo. Ọ kara gị mana ị gara aga were aka odo na kitchen. Ga-ego mmanụ onwe gị dana ga-eze ihe. Ha ka aka odo hia. Ka ị gara aga maburu. Iji agụ n'ote.
Nke a anaghị aba inside. Nke a na-akpọ vibrator just for the surface. Yeah, just vibrator.
Nke na inside the layer.
And I don't like it. I don't think about it. Yeah, but just purely vibrator. The other one rose. Nkana or rose.
But we
Tongue.
but we are but we are Abolia here, but we are
Okay. Because
but we
of
are Davido.
Davido.
Davido ahụ nọ n'elele ebe ọ nọ.
Huh?
Davido ahụ ga weta chefe Davido ahụ bịa.
Mgbagenu na nge disturb my son's therapy.
Listen to me. Any the me therapy now telega na biko ga wetere me.
Mbaga agbago nwelu na.
Oya mbalanya were mma cut wara m that one na pieces cha ya ga biachi here.
Nje cut oya.
Yes, ga cut agi wete pieces ya. Want to see it.
How long?
Don't joke with me. I'm not playing here with you, and I'm not laughing. I'm waiting here.
How long okay take me je cut?
Ga wete mma ge no the way na elu television ahụ no cut me. Any dreaming from a committee of men gonna rehab auto wala they use vibrator. From today, any auto when vibrator, I need rehabilitation on it. Whatever my cut away, first ladia, first TV, cut me.
Bishop here they quite expensive.
Damn you. But I'm sorry the expenses. Evaluate here what artificial dynamic worker. Oh, yes, bro. Abraham, I
I cut all of this thing, the rest to iron. See?
Listen.
So the rest to iron. I disconnect all of the wire. I can't bring it up here.
Okay.
See?
Now, Gante. Listen. I need more two of it. I destroy each other two of it before I continue with your interview. And to tell
Don't
you,
worry, I'm free tomorrow. You can bring me up tomorrow.
Now let me Gente can wagon. I trump that English here. Let Gente can wagon now. Why him report this thing I say? Him report I say wo. And when anybody wo na bancha not into masturbation, ga my ham neku. Onyo wala wo nyencha ga my ham neku. And when we come no wa bagancha, then we value for any woman. Man your wool on and him na wage pure 100%. Listen. I'm telling you, talk less of the man who use to get this thing. Some people think it's nothing. My sister, you need a man in your life. You cannot be using it and you think that you will stay with a man.
I didn't need a man until recently. So I've just been raising kids.
Okay, now
I didn't need a man. I didn't want a man.
Do you see in the vibrator? Oh, sorry, in the Davido. Davido is in Aka now.
I'm ready, in the life of a man. So that's why I need Izimia.
Now, Gemunte, bam the consign. Whether you like it or not, I don't want to know what men that buys it for their wife thinks. Oh, my business. The women who can also carry a who has and da pare. A man and I got perform only. A man and name uche, no matter how you see it. Because one year he use get now. And when I'm more not in it. I'm not advising you. You are an adult, a grandmother. Bagidencha. Ejimo women example. Oh God, popatra ni hencha. If I talk and make me whole loss or me. Oh God, I don't tell it. When somebody was in secondary school, the high university, on Takai Johnson. Epotano, twin or na. use it. Yamaga, it will, you're part of you, my sister. You can never, when you also get well value for a man. Okay, after all, you take care of yourself. Can you okay, me? No stuff for all these women who not online. Some of them wouldn't Davido. Some of them wouldn't name.
I told them while I was
some of
raising
them
my
wouldn't
kids.
name wine and wine. No matter how bad a woman is, wine is important in every human being in life. Name ote no na makachine kekrema na agama rally goto. Reason. Otamune here na kage. Mwekodi likeness for you I cannot because mwekodi gimga here ni name me enjoy. That is
You're
me.
right.
I'm not arguing.
That's why I have to fall in love first before I can do anything with anybody.
Yeah, we here fall in love. More what I get. Here we here mad kubu we to tramu koda sataga auto. Madu ni dreko wa sataga auto to complete 1 month. Akupotage pistol and race no ini moto before game we uche.
You're right. It did, yeah, it raised you.
I'm right, I'm right. Uno koshi use this thing. Oh no, but you buy Bubatachana, Omashi, you know, Tabayagala, go to here. Call I make a travel, Yabayanaba. Call I make a travel, no Nigeria, Yabayanaba. Why you, if we can transport money, Nima. I want you all I may travel, Yaba, the video naba. Move for today, your interview have come to an end. No number, nothing for now till I see the remaining one and it's being destroyed. If you are serious, then tell me you are ready and you are with it. You tell me, you write me on this inbox. I will bring you back online here. I'm not joking, and I'm not joking.
No, I'm serious too. Okay.
Listen. Let me tell you the truth. There is no difference between you and a lesbian, but that's the truth.
It's your judgment. I can't argue.
That's me. That's how I see it. There's no difference. So anybody that is the truth.
In your own perspective, you're right.
My own, not your own. Ngazru the video mine. There were no lona. A woman get up and him na. How will you feel?
I mean, if it's your choice, if it makes your life fulfilled, I wouldn't.
It's not if it is my choice. It's not a matter of it's my choice. There is nobody's life that can be fulfilled. Your life can never be complete if you don't have any man.
Do you know that what is right to you might be wrong to another person?
That is why I'm telling you that it's not a matter of it is not my choice. Now. So far, I need a woman in my life. So you need a man in your life. That's your choice. Listen, that's your choice.
Until recently, so change is constant. Change is constant with humans.
That's your choice. Listen,
as you are today, as you hate this today, there might be a reason in 10 years for it to be something that your life depends on. Have you thought about that?
Now, let me tell you now.
You have control of nothing. Do you know?
My sister, this thing now, it's not all about culture, it's not all about tradition.
I'm not talking about tradition or culture, I'm talking about real life issues.
Now,
there are things you decide today that might be a part of your life in the next 10 years.
Now, that is him now. Okay. Listen, now. As one feeble, if you really need a man, forget your mama and then on a job already when you did hands in the name of Hanwen. Believe me, my sister. Believe me. Why you put okay, ma abandon that man because almost shallow more on the use of the video you just me. That thing on there, the men work na bancha, the men work up on one ass. Moke bagancha na akpọ nwanyị asị when you ji nwanyị eme o nwere ike na kodi nwanyị but of ga value that woman e nwere man na agba oke ncha ọ tagide gị tacha gị nyụọ stay ya ba bathroom continue ọgbawa ncha
Well,
I'm not joking.
my story not behind it.
All right, that story not behind it. I want to break it with this live stream. You break here. Auro makamu, ege nwetamu. I'm on the very sharp.
Because I chose me Ludina.
And you are serious with marriage.
I was comfortable just raising my kids, living my life.
Okay. I am now 42 years old, young. So to me, I'm not asking you to do what I want you to do to please me or to please anybody. But
no,
to me,
I'm catching cruise. Like I'm enjoying the life.
Hello,
I will come back tomorrow. I ain't destroy the rest.
Listen, to me, please. I know what I'm saying. Go. Throw that thing away. I know what I'm saying. You see, overlook that thing. Me autogwa kodigi me feel on in the man. Ne jacka get your own woke. Stay no here, man. It can't come my life. Joe Funke no close to a buy. Oh, go must now got log. Get boy, I again.
Nah, I can't be a man without having connection. I'm a spiritual woman.
They don't Otele Rosana. Kije me hemri.
I'm a church. I'm a traditional woman. I call on my ancestors so for no go. So I'm dinner with working unless when connection, deep
that
connection.
That is the energy I hear when I that good energy now wagena. Yana wago pure. I can kneel down and beg you before everybody. Okay, hold on. Biko, Chineke yogi, listen. I say, bro, yogi, say, Biko, throw it away, Biko. What is she called on Chineke yogi with your money, with everything in money? Let that thing be. Why they using here? Everybody not here. I beg you with God. That thing me why I not value okay. I be don't value where our men. I swear to God, we're gonna live long. I'm not joking.
Nkorogi my story, eh? Nkorogi my story.
Everybody have a story. It's only the dead that don't.
You will never blame me.
It's only the dead that will never have a story. As a living being that is great in life, you must have a story to tell. So forget, put it aside and let it not be something that will make you to, make you look so, worse than what you are not supposed to be. Thank God you said you are a spiritual person. Nothing past real ammo. Nothing past real ammo. Please. One love, eh? Everybody take care of yourself.
Good evening, Bishop.
Tamboge Bianca.
Hey.
The way phone and we will out of the last.
Because I'm the Bishop.
That's me at the got away here. My friend be fast to tetraho kid, onya albrav not the now. Braga Biabata Grabiche, my friend. Braga Hitako shares Lela Otele. Braga Bia track gram Trackabia. Trackabia. Be why you wish like cover ya? Trackabia. All the knock a shovel then when I handle. Oguazo. Branga agramit and terakebia. Bia, opera the Paganaho. So proud the Pagana, get some a lep of Bradley Regana. I try a lep of Brad, a lamp of Brad. Ah? Elenga bravo no. Lanya, by this time tomorrow, Gamal Olob, Rush Olob, yeah, Hetra away Jiba who Matanata. That's a matter who say, figure 6, figure 5, or figure 1. Lanya, Gamola, or say again, Gamolob. Ragabam so Pradaganaho. Who may just not your second seller, get Gabam so Pradaganaho. Pranga, let go Uro Neki. Ele begra titane kenta hasposa. Ele begra titane kenta hasposa this girl.
Yeah, we can task for Bishop.
Oya brage so won kenta hasposa.
I live when I was school. Oh,
Nam Yiria Nam game explain. I'm going to get you a mega explain. Cause you want you get me explain.
How many times you home to that shop?
Gra. That full.
25.
We pokuga inside. We pokuga masra inside. Ranga, we patra moto. We patra moto. Gama brune kenta has for na mama won't you mask ebara bueno school. Ranga pia come say it to I want to kenta has boss. Don't work with you. Ranga Mbaga to a camera. Go with each hagagram. My bingo. That would have fun of it. Lele. Orokodo Kundan also Julius Beck, also Julius Beck, Oku already. Okay, you took Oku. Give for chief for no Beata Homanaho. Yes, Popatatin gum. Popatatin gum, my bingo. Aya, you behind Yanishigi. You try crucifix. Yanishigi. Paho cross will be up to the Jesus. Kebiaga. Pick that thing, Yanishigi. Nyeri. Ele imi popurungada lo yen popuriafo.
Anyway, Bishop.
Me weli we. Wa pakalo proof no.
Sorry.
People they would who knock on your warehouse. They were fall down like this, they were fall down like this. Next time, maybe I get them faster.
Anyway.
They were fall down close to you, come down in the cool.
Okay.
Cabro, the quote Ukuish no, but I did back at home. Namamo is so Julius Beggar also. Uge year and boot across Ramiri. When I come around, they were no Kuga come home again. They were not coming on no book. I say, yes, hey, first say coming on no Kuga, first say coming on no Kuga, Judean like I can face no Kuga.
Okay.
They wear your top and they be coming on. Look at. Don't you know what is called your toes? Or what I am going to say, my own skate task force. You say my own skate task force. After you when I come out to edge, come and pick that phone. But camera no coge. In my head, about camera no coge. As one.
Bishop, I'm mammy, I'm a meko.
When who camera down to win a palm of water? Keep it on the palm of your leg. Wait to Yanala, yes, wait to Yanala. Let local mad. And I have Julius Beggar. Get parrot your qua. You saw Julius Beggar and all rules on Federal Government was taken. The what do you quick like a mabru? Uquaka who give. Look at the onion labor cook and now, master will can't get one. Whatever, no. Abru ku madhabo. Maybe at that time now.
I really Bishop.
Damn you. And I got my house much vegetable, remain. You're not bragulaga now, he went opera. Branga back one smell will leave. What Pakani Shigi? What Pakani Shigi? Branga bed, Metagrama can shake. I guess one and she gave me Chris. It's happened here, maybe talking here.
Okay, sorry.
Let him in a watching Palababo. Babsiki went to come and watching longer. Let him in a watching Pala. Yes, bring that thing down. And when once you will lay you. And when once you will lay you, like a bag of coke.
Anyway, Bishop.
That means something I get like guy you promised skirt in the house for so guy. Aha,
Chimamanda.
Kushokwike. Ahigbo. Chimamanda wa Ahigbo.
Yes. Waham.
Chimamanda is our Ahigbo.
Waham.
Chimamanda, yeah.
Dominic.
Dominic. Nago jero do kuno zaga Dominic.
Odo. Mba, I thought I wore a before, but ma'am, only Ruba.
Mpago rero do kuno zaga Dominic. Guess what I wore before? Ya dere sindo wala na ya. Ane big be hanging na koto.
Only Ruba, man, I wore it before, but I'm only Ruba.
Biri toro pe bra kwam se ma more ugwa. Negi odendo.
Ode.
Umunne ga di ole.
I did 6.
Onwele onye n'ime unu toro gbagburu lembo.
Mba.
Egbe eligwe onwele onye ogburu na family mpagi.
Mba.
Nna go ja akpọ taba. O ja akpọ nke ya n'ọnụ ka n'imi.
Ọ n'imi.
Nna onye ụtaba. O ji imi akpọ ụtaba. Onwere onye ara nọ na family unu nọ.
Mba.
Sadi nne gị kwa na onye ara anọ dị a.
Mba.
Pant ole ka ị na-eyi ede?
Ana m eyi pants, Bishop.
Ọgba ọtọ. Kwụsị okwu ike ka m na-anụgo. Weta ọnụ gị close.
Ana m eyi pants.
Ọgba ọtọ. Ezinụlọ. Ị gara ụlọ akwụkwọ mahadum?
Mba.
Gịnị ka ị na-arụ?
Ana m ebide akwa.
Ọnụ goji eshi ushi.
Mba.
Otele goshi ushi.
Mba.
Ihe ọdịda oji adọ gị akwụkwọ.
Mba.
Ọrịa ọkụkọ ọ dịghị?
Mba.
Ọrịa nkịta kwanụ?
Mba.
Ebere gị ugwu?
Amakwa m o.
Ema ahụ bụ ihe ebe ị na-amaghị mebere gị ugwu ihe ma nwoke gị ekwesịghị iyi pantị. Ema ahụ mebere gị ugwu. All of a sudden gị were nnọgọchi n'ọnụ ya Chineke agba gị ọkụ ya. Ema ahụ mebere gị ugwu. Pantị akwụsị ị ga-ekwesị were pantị eyi gị. Ema ahụ mebere gị ugwu. Ya na-eme ọkụkọ mele gị mbụ ya na-eme olota ya dịka omele gị mbụ.
Mba.
Ị pụọ n'ụlọ nne gị na nna gị ele mgbe ị na-eji abata?
Ebe 6.
Ụmụnne gị ọ dị ole?
5.
Ị gbala klọb mbụ? Ị ji aṅụ shisha? Ị ji aṅụ dewolu gị straight ụtalị dewolu gị straight.
Okay. Anyway.
Biyiri CCTV panel osisi ya na-eji ahang panel ya dewolu gị straight.
Okay.
Ị ji aṅụ shisha?
Ana m aṅụ.
Ị ji aṅụ goof? Nwa ajaghị ara ime nwa agbọghọbịa. Ele goof ị na-aṅụ loud ka SK ka ọwụ?
All loud.
Okay, ị ji aṅụ loud. Ọṅụ kpokpo. Ị ji aṅụ ya na just at your confident how many times ka ị na-arapụ a day?
Otu ọbụla o si gụọ m.
Gara pụọ. Imele nwaanyị na nwaanyị mbụ.
Mba.
Ịbala nwaanyị ibe gị ọgụ mbụ.
But Otele aka.
Ọ n'ime ahịa ka ị na-alụ ọgụ ka ọ wụ n'ụlọ.
Ọkwa n'ụlọ ka m lụrụ ya.
Ịlụgidela ọgụ mbụ gị gbara ọtọ.
Mba.
Onwe mgbe ị lụrụ ọgụ gbara ọtọ.
Mba.
Gị na nwoke ọ nọrọ na WhatsApp mbụ gị gbara Otele gị na WhatsApp ya elekiri gị nwee elekiri kwe nke ya.
Mba.
Ha?
Mba.
Butele infection mbụ.
Yes.
Hello, the infection ị patara.
Oh, toilet infection.
Like a toilet infection. Toilet nọ gị n'ime. Ahụ ha gbara gị gana. Ịpa biscuit infection ka ịbịa nga agwa m same toilet. Water system ọ dị. Water system ị duru anyụ ansha ọwụ ya ka ahụ fụtara gị n'Otele. Ahịa m jụọ gị ka ọwụ ihe eji egwuchige toilet nwere nke gbajiri gbaba gị n'ime Otele. Eji mara sọ toilet. Ịpa biscuit infection aga ara gị ịbịa nga agwa m sị toilet infection.
Okay, ama but treatele m ya ụkwa taa.
I treat ya na nke onye. Dọta amasị ya maka ọwụ n'ụlọ ọgwụ.
N'ụlọ ọgwụ.
Otele pa ọrịa biskit agarụ gwọrọla ya agwọọla ya. Iji aṅụ amụ. Ị ṅụọla mmiri amụ mbụ?
Mmiri amụ. Ma anwụ na-amụ m obuta manụ m nke wụ mmiri ya.
Ejiga m ịma ihe wụ mmiri ya. Ejiga m sị ma ihe wụ mmiri ya. Eju ṅụọ na mieko na-akpụ nwa na-eche na ama afụta mbọ ị ṅụọla ya mgbe idetụla ya ọnụ. Ị ṅụọla ya? Ilobere eloba ka ọwụ na ị ṅụrụ ya ga-egbopụ ya.
Elobara m ya eloba.
Ọwụ ya nwa m. Ihe ji taa ụnụ ihe iji ataghị ahụ nwere ike bụ mpa mmadụ ka ị ṅụọ nke ya. Ọṅụ mmiri amụ. Ụmụ nwoke ole tara ala gị?
Aga m echetacha bishọp.
Telero sana, ị ga-echetacha ogede.
Ha buru ibu.
Bịa my sister. Ese gịnị buru ibu?
Ọ kwesịrị ụmụ nwoke ole tara m. Amaghịzi m ama m nwere machit.
Telero sana. Enyi ji agba akwụla.
Mba. Mba, ụmụ akwụla.
Otele ego oshi ga-ehu ushi by now.
Mba, aji m etinye aka tụkwa ya oshi ga-ehu ushi. Ana m eleta okwu m anya.
Ịsa amụ dum amụ ọtụtụ ama abala gị n'ahụ.
Jụrụ m si nwoke ole, aga m echeta na ama m.
But ha ka nkụ.
Yes.
Ndonna ewele iwe. No. Wetukwa aka na chọwa di. Alaki otu ikwuru eziokwu wetukwa aka. No. Atagide gote tagida. Akụbi ha na ebe pijotu. O nwere nga a na-akpọ pijotu na-anọ n'Otele. Akụbi ha na akụfụ ha na ma sister. O nwere ike atawa gị next time. Ga-eba mama mere gị sọ mmiri. Ịsọ ga-ekpọ English squirting na were wayo nna. Were wayo nne m. Chai. Otele Basin Bahu Bazaar. Enye ndị ebe. A na-ata gị dị mkpu ị na-eti. Ị na-ekwechiri. Mgbe otu ị na-aṅụ anwụrụ laụd enwenụ mgbe a ga-ata gị ga-eji eti mgbe onye anwụrụ a na-eti mkpụrụ na I don't understand. Genotype gị? Blood group gị?
O positive.
Ebe isi na watch anyị?
Ana m na Lagos.
Congrats. Kpọọ nọmba gị?
08031882260.
Ana m n'ihi na-ekwu.
08031882260.
Kwe mana ihe a mere ebe a ga-aba n'ihu akwụkwọ dum. Okay, now get ntị. Congratulations. Onye ọbụla nọ ya bụrụ ya n'obi na ụta nwa dị sinsi akwuo ihe a na. That is the real truth. But they need to pretend about his or her life. Because no matter how you pretend it, one dog apple tea. And that is the truth. You need to pretend. Most of all these women from joke cross. Some of them watch around so can before hand or hand to their name off. Yes, let us face reality. I want to say, gentlemen.